if you want to update your Samsung Smart TV's firmware, but the system update option is grayed out, then let's see how you can fix the grayed out issue and update the software of your Samsung Smart TV. To update your TV, we just need to go to the Smart Hub by opening the side panel and then settings, all settings. Then we need to go down to support, and here you will see the software update option. But as you can see here, our software update option is not available and we can't access it. So if you're stuck in here, then it's very easy to fix. You just need to make sure that you don't have any system apps running in the background, such as YouTube, Netflix, or even the Samsung apps. So to fix this, we can just change the source to TV by going to connected devices from the side panel and then selecting TV from the sources. Then if we go back to the support option, you can see that now we can access software update. So from here, make sure that you have auto update turned on so that you don't have to go through this hassle again. Now let's check for updates. Then it will go ahead and download any update that's pending. As you can see, we have the latest version, so we can just go back to home, and that's all there is to it. So this is how you can check for updates on your Samsung Smart TV and resolve the grayed out issue. If you found this helpful, subscribe for daily uploads, and I'll see you around.